Shanghai TULIP Home Manufacture Company Limited, founded in 2002, is a professional floor mat, cushion mat, and other household products, mainly integrating the research and development, produce and sales of recycled materials. The company has 5 wholly-owned and holding companies in Shanghai, Zhejiang, and Vietnam, and has established long-term and stable cooperative relations with major customers around the world. This series of products are mainly exported to the United States, Canada, Japan, Mexico, and some parts of Asia. My name is Ma Huimin, is in charge of factory management. Let me show you our some workshop. Coupler machine, from tire into ground rubber, from sheet film into ground foam. This is very eco, because of only physical cotton and just the recycled waste materials turned into beautiful door mat. UV printing machine have 32 injectors, which speed faster 5 times than regular machine. Automated cutting machine can cut any shape through into computer. No need cutting mode, which more effective than regular machine. Molding integrated composite machine. One-time molding which can make sure our product adhesion, fastness, and good quality. We attach importance to every detail, to every small thing well to make sure product quality. In 2020, we established the Shanghai office, full-time design and research and development to meet the diversified and personalized needs of customers. Since 2013, we began to communicate and cooperate with Home Depot and have made great progress so far. They have 6 SKU on hand now. We believe we will keep going on and get long-term cooperative relationship. TULIP Home continues to innovate and develop, grow with our partners to create a better future.